So I need the drill. Oh, I didn't look at this last night. Let me see. Oh, the drill is already charged too. So I need, let's see what screws I got. Oh, it's a flathead. How to open it? What is these black things? I don't know what these black things are. I don't know what that is. Dang, I probably should go ask my mom because I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh, y'all, I got screws and nails. I'm so happy. Oh, I got washers and nuts! I did not know that. I did not see the washers in there. I don't know if y'all... No, you can be able to see it, but there's washers in there. I don't know what these plastic things are. Oh, say she's on the phone. I might run over there. And I got the electrical tape, the black tape. It says PVC insulating tape, but anyway, that's the black tape. I didn't know that was going to be in there. I saw it last night. What else did I not see last night? I saw everything else. I like this thing right here. This. I like it. I'm not sure why I like it, but I do. This is nice little thing. Alright, so I need the... These things do not be wanting to go in how it's supposed to be. And that ain't how that go neither. Oh, this is rubber. So I think I need this one. Yeah. The quarter. How you push it out? I'm gonna go and wander around the house and ask her something. Hopefully I don't disturb her life too much. I ain't gonna take my phone so I can record what she said because I ain't feel like doing that. I'll just tell you when I get back. But this black thing, I'm gonna do this first and then I'm gonna see if I can show y'all when I put this up. Why does it say CRV14? Wait. Okay, that's it. Okay. Right, give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Alright. I know how they got this wall bill. Okay, where's the other screw? What? Where is it? Where's the screw? Oh. Alright. Alright. So, since I have some nails, I hope I don't scare my sister. So I'm gonna make a little hole with this. See, that sounds like nothing. That sounds better. So we'll see. Just put it in the original place and hope everything go good. Why am I putting the screw in here in the thing knot? I just want to put the screw in the wall so bad. Girl, if you don't take that out. Alright, get the thing. Get the Samsung charger. I can't hold everything at the same time. And I don't have no regular size screwdriver. I have these little ones. And I got this thing for the day on drill. Just for the drill to... These screwdrivers is not big enough. Look at this. Look at these tiny things. It look crooked, but it's probably just going to be like this. Alright. That's why I got a drill so that my arm don't have to get tired. I'm gonna plug this into the this thing that I got. It has all these extra elements on it. Okay, well that's that.